But first of all, if you want to get an access with Shopify's 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Now, let me show you how you can able to add your own products on Shopify. It is so easy. You can do this. So what you have to do, you have to go here to products. Under products, you can able to import your own products on Shopify. But not only that, you can also import existing product. If you have a existing product or existing store, you can import it here, guys. Now let me show you how to add your own product on Shopify. Just click here at the add product. Then it will take you to this page. This is the page where you can able to customize or design your own Shopify store. Then you have to write a title name about the product that you want to sell here on Shopify. Just write a title name there. Then for the product description, you have to write a product description. Then after that, I like to use this AI tool from Shopify, which is going to write for me automatically my product description. You have to put some related keywords for the product that you want to sell. Then you have to click here to generate. Then this AI tool is going to write content for me automatically. As you can see, this is the product description that has been written by this AI. I'm going to keep it. As you can see, that is my product description in just a few seconds. Then you can go to media. Under media, you can choose photos. You can choose videos for your Shopify store. Then you can go to categories. You have to choose related category about the product that you are selling on Shopify. Just put the related category there. And then you're going to go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price that your customers, they will pay you whenever they buy a product in your Shopify store. Just put the price. This is the selling price, guys, okay? And you can also put the compared price. Then you also put the cost per item. It means how much is costing you to buy this product in your supplier. Shopify is going to show you the profit that you'd be making. Shopify is going to show you the margins that you'd be making. Then for the inventory, leave everything to track quantity, everything default, do not change there, leave it like that. So this is how easy it is to able to add your own Shopify store on Shopify. Now what you have to do, you can click here to save and also make sure that the status of your Shopify store, it is active. Then you can also go to collections. You can create collections in your Shopify store. You can also check inventory. You can also check the purchase orders. You can also do some transfers. You can transfer money into your bank account there. Then you can go to customers. Under customers, you can able to see your customers' details, like when they purchase from you, how many products they purchase on your Shopify store. All of those things, you can see your customer details there. Then you can also go to analytics. And the analytics on Shopify is gonna show you on how your store it is performing, on a specific days. Like maybe for today, you want to check how many total sales you got today. You can also check them how many total sales you got yesterday. Then you can also check the online store sessions, like how many visitors that you have in your store right now. You can also check the online store conversion rate, like what is the store is performing out of 100 people. You can also check the total orders. You can also check the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling, let's say 5 products on Shopify, you can check the products, your Shopify store, which products they are getting the most orders on Shopify. Then you can also do email marketing on Shopify, which allows you to send email follow-ups on customers who went through on the checkout but they didn't purchase. You can send email follow-ups on those customers so that you can get more sales via emails. And then what you can do, you can also offer some discounts, in a Shopify store. If you're offering 10% discounts, you're gonna get a lot of orders. People, they love to use discount code whenever they want to buy something online, okay? Then you can also go to the online store. These are the online done for you themes that you can use for Shopify, guys. You can take a look at these done for you themes that you can just import them straight away into your own Shopify store. You can put your own logos there. You can put your own price, okay? But first of all, if you want to get access to the Shopify's 30 days free trial, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. Take care and may God bless you sharp, guys.